Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the passcode and Apple ID. Get them now and confirm a recent backup exists. Open Settings, tap Screen Time, and look for the Screen Time passcode option. If one's set, choose Change or turn off Screen Time. Once done, enter the Screen Time passcode. This verifies you and unlocks controls. If you don't know the passcode, proceed to the Forgot Passcode flow here. Otherwise, make sure iCloud and Find My are reachable, so Apple ID verification can complete quickly and securely. You can remove restrictions by selecting Turn off Screen Time and confirming with your passcode or Apple ID. This clears app limits, downtime, and content filters. For finer control, open App Limits or Content and Privacy and toggle individual rules off. Tap each category, then disable. If Screen Time is linked to a parent Apple ID, sign out of that account or ask the account holder to remove the device from family sharing. Make sure you restart the phone if settings don't refresh immediately. Finish by restarting the iPhone, then revisit Settings Screen Time to confirm restrictions are gone and app behavior is normal. If you forgot the Screen Time passcode, use Apple ID recovery steps. Settings Screen Time, change Screen Time passcode forgot, then follow on-screen Apple ID verification. If that fails, contact Apple support or schedule a Genius Bar visit. They can help after verifying ownership. One tip: don't factory reset without backing up, because you can lose data and complicate account recovery.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.